Hello, welcome to Nara toy review. And if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe and you can see more of my videos. Link in the description. Oh, it just fell down. I just slapped my face. And let's get into the video. So first we're gonna open this.
Can you tell me what the toy is?
It's Hero Smasher and it's from Star Wars.
Where did you get it?
From America, and it's also $299. See, it's right here, $299, right? And also let's open this now. Half the pieces just already get out. That doesn't matter because we're gonna get it out more. Like, you can actually rotate this guy. Cool. If you wanna buy these, then you can buy them at pretty much anywhere that there's code, like America or New Zealand, but not in Thailand. Thailand is where I make my videos, but soon I will be living in New Zealand. Soon I'm also going to take out his weapon. That's sick! How cool is this? Cool! It has like purple fire. Put this in this hand. We're going to put it in the hand. We also have another weapon. This is like a grappling hook. This is the most hardest one to get out. Okay, we're gonna put this on. It's very hot. Buddy, we made this thing. It's cool. It has a grappling hook. It has a blade of death. And it's also have some cool movements. It can move its weapons, and you can basically find these anywhere. And if you want to see more of my videos, and you want to know how a new video is coming out, then just subscribe and do the link in the description. Also, leave a like that you have it. And also, don't leave a thumbs down. And also, here's the box for General. Nope. What's his name again?
The box. Garasep.
I'm gonna put on Garasep. You cannot really stand.
Okay, later. Show the box.
I'm just gonna put it
Show the box, please.
Back. And the one that I wanna get, the top three: Boba Fett, General Grievous, and Darth Vader. I don't know what's this guy's name, but other guys, but that's not cool, dude. It's pretty cool. General Grievous, Boba Fett, Darth Vader, and whatever this guy's name is, and also whatever this guy's name. And also, bye bye. And also, if you don't subscribe, then this guy will come to your house and laser you, and also grab you to the rubbish bin if you don't. So, and also we'll grab your cookie when you're asleep. Bye.